Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to remove the pattern lock from your Android phone? Whether you are switching to a PIN, password, fingerprint, or you simply don't want a screen lock anymore, I will show you how to remove your pattern lock safely and easily. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step number 1, open security settings. Step 2, verify your identity. Step 3, remove the pattern lock. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1, open security settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy, Security, or Lock Screen, depending on your device model. Next, tap Screen Lock or Screen Lock Time. The exact menu name may vary depending on your Android device and software version. Step number 2, verify your identity. Before you can change or remove your screen lock, your phone will ask you to verify your identity. Draw your current pattern. If you use a PIN, password, fingerprint, or face recognition, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it is really you. This security step helps protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Step number 3, remove the pattern lock. After verifying your identity, you will see different screen lock options. Tap None or Swipe, depending on what is available on your device. If a confirmation message appears, tap Remove, Yes, or Continue. Your pattern lock will now be removed. The next time you wake your phone, you won't need to draw your pattern to unlock it. Bonus tip, removing your screen lock makes your phone easier to access, but it also reduces your device security. If you still want protection while keeping your phone easy to unlock, consider using a PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock instead of removing your screen lock completely. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to remove the pattern lock on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tricks, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.